Good morning student. Now today we will start our next topic quadrilateral related to geometry. Quadrilateral, we can say there is a one word quad. Quad means 4. Okay, now see what is the quadrilateral. It is also a closed figure. As we already discussed that triangle is a closed figure, same times we can say quadrilateral is also a closed figure. Quad means 4. It means if 4 line segments are joined like in such a way that they are making a closed figure, we can say it is a quadrilateral. It means quadrilateral is formed by 4 line segment and it is a closed figure. But one thing, see, there are 4 points, 4 vertices. 4 vertices, but if I take these 4 vertices like this, it forms a quadrilateral? No, because if all the points lies on the same line, then these are called the collinear. These points are collinear. It means all the points lies on the same line. For the quadrilateral, it is so there is a necessary condition that all the points doesn't lie on the same line. It means they are not collinear. वो collinear नहीं होने चाहिए. अगर collinear होते हैं, कोई भी 3 points भी अगर collinear है, then they will not form a quadrilateral. Triangle also have same condition that in triangle also all the 3 points should not be collinear. तीनों पॉइंट्स अगर कोलिनियर हो जाते हैं तो वो ट्रायंगल फॉर्म नहीं करेंगे. उसी तरह से 4 पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर हो जाते हैं तो वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल फॉर्म नहीं करेंगे. तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल या ट्रायंगल फॉर्म करने के लिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन ये जरूरी है दैट दीज ऑल पॉइंट्स शुड बी नॉन कोलिनियर. एक लाइन में नहीं होने चाहिए. और इसके लिए भी यही है कि एनी 3 पॉइंट ऑल्सो शुड नॉट बी कोलिनियर. कोई भी 3 पॉइंट्स भी अगर कोलिनियर है और ये 4th पॉइंट है तो इट ऑल्सो नॉट फॉर्म ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? दीज पॉइंट्स विल नॉट बी कोलिनियर. देन दे फॉर्म द 4 लाइन सेगमेंट. इफ आई जॉइन ए बी, बी सी, सी डी, डी ए एंड इट बिकम्स ए क्लोज फिगर, then this type of figure is called a quadrilateral. So in this quadrilateral, these vertices are called the angles of a quadrilateral. We can say that it has 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Or you can give another name also. This angle A, BAD or DAB. This angle B, CBA or ABC. It means any name you can give according to the figure. Or in simple language we can say it has 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 4 line segments, that is AB, BC, CD, D. AB, BC, CD, D. Or when you join 2 vertices which are not adjacent. Adjacent क्या होता है? Adjacent means nearby. Anything is here nearby, it means adjacent to it. We can say B is adjacent to A, D is adjacent to A, but C is not adjacent to A. A के पास में या तो B है या D है, C इसके adjacent पे नहीं है. तो ऐसे 2 वर्टिसेस को अगर ज्वाइन कर दिया जाए जो एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट में नहीं है, देन दे फॉर्म्स डायगोनल. सिमिलरली इस बी की बात करें तो बी के ए एडजेसेंट में है, सी एडजेसेंट में, बट डी इज नॉट एडजेसेंट टू बी. दैट्स व्हाई बी डी इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ डायगोनल. सो इन ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल टू डायगोनल ऑल्सो ए सी बी डी. One more thing about the quadrilateral, whenever you are giving the name to a quadrilateral, जब भी हम इस quadrilateral को name देंगे, it will be sure that you will move maybe in clockwise direction or maybe in anti-clockwise direction. It means you can say this is a quadrilateral ABCD, or you can say this is a quadrilateral ADCB. It means your starting and ending point should be the same, and you can move to the anti-clockwise direction or maybe clockwise direction. But if you give this name to ACBD, then this is wrong, because A and C not adjacent. They are not adjacent to each other. So we will move always in clockwise direction or maybe counterclockwise, that is the anti-clockwise direction, whenever we will give the name to a quadrilateral. Okay, next thing, see. So we can say in a quadrilateral 4 angles, 4 line segments and 2 diagonals. Next thing about the quadrilateral, that what are the adjacent angles and opposite angles. Firstly, we will discuss about the adjacent sides and opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Adjacent sides I already say when we are taking the nearby. It means if I am taking side AB, then in this line segment or the side AB, what are the adjacent side of AB? अब AB के adjacent में या तो BC है या AB के adjacent में AD है. DC is not adjacent to AB. तो adjacent sides क्या हो गए इसके? Means both sides have one common point. Then we can say they are adjacent sides. In this also AB and AD common point A. Then we can say these are the adjacent sides. So we can say AB adjacent to BC, AB adjacent to AD. If I talk about BC, BC adjacent to AB and BC adjacent to CD. If I talk about CD, then CD adjacent to BC and CD adjacent to AD. But AB and DC are not adjacent sides. That's why they are called opposite sides. It means there are 2 pair of opposite sides. One pair AB is opposite to CD and second pair AD is opposite to BC. So there are 2 pairs of opposite sides. Adjacent sides, we can say which side, 2 sides have one common point, then they are adjacent sides. No common point, then we can say they are opposite sides in this quadrilateral. AB and CD no common points, AD and BC also don't have any common point. That's why these are the opposite sides. Same thing related to the angles, adjacent angles and opposite angles. Adjacent angles, it means angle A के near about angles या तो D है या B है. If you see properly, एंगल A के एडजेसेंट अगर हम एंगल D ले रहे हैं तो बोथ एंगल्स हैव वन कॉमन साइड. एंगल D is formed by rays line segment और ray we can say CD and AD. एंगल D किससे बना है? CD और AD से. एंगल A formed by AB and AD. If you see properly, there is a one common vertex D and there is one common vertex A and one common side also, that is AD. So we can say these angles, angle A and D are adjacent angle. Similarly, we can say angle A and B are adjacent angle. Angle B and angle C are adjacent angle. Angle C and angle D are adjacent angle. What about the opposite angles? The angles which are not adjacent, they are opposite to each other. एंगल A के एडजेसेंट या तो B एंगल है या एंगल A के अपोजिट एडजेसेंट एंगल D है. Then which one is not adjacent? C. It means we can say angle A and C are the opposite angles. Similarly, angle B and D are the opposite angles. So, in a quadrilateral, these type of terms should be clear to you. What are the adjacent sides, opposite sides, adjacent angles and opposite angles. Another thing, similarly, exterior, interior. What is a quadrilateral region? Before this quadrilateral region, firstly we have to know about the interior, exterior and boundary itself. If any point inside on this region, then we can say it is the interior of the quadrilateral. Any point outside, then it is the exterior of a quadrilateral. Or if any point like this on the figure boundary itself, then we can say this is within the quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral region? Quadrilateral region किससे मिलके बनता है? अगर हम इसकी बाउंड्री और इसके इंटीरियर रीजन को इंक्लूड कर लें completely, then this is called a quadrilateral region. It means चाहे पॉइंट हमारा इनसाइड लाई कर रहा है और चाहे इस बाउंड्री पे कर रहा है, we can say this one lies on the quadrilateral region. Any point outside lie, then we can say this is the outside from the quadrilateral region. So, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is also a closed figure formed by 4 line segments in which these 4 vertices are not collinear. जिसमें ये 4 points collinear नहीं होने चाहिए. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means if all the points lies, जब हम सब points को अगर join करते हैं और वो एक ही line में जाकर मिल जाते हैं, it means these points are collinear. क्वाड्रिलेटरल या ट्रायंगल को क्लोज फिगर में फॉर्म करने के लिए दिस इज अ नेसेसरी कंडीशन दैट दीज पॉइंट्स शुड नॉट बी कोलिनियर. वन क्वेश्चन सी, one figure is given to you. Okay, we will discuss about this figure. In this figure, firstly tell me the adjacent sides. So, adjacent sides, firstly tell me the line segment. Then we can say line segment PQ, QR, RS, SP, PS, same thing. Second thing, I want to give the name to this quadrilateral. So, you can give the name to this quadrilateral. You can show like this quadrilateral figure PQRS, or maybe you can give the name if you are starting from P, PSRQ. But if you write down PRQS, then it is wrong. Next thing, angles we can define by angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. Diagonals, if we want to find out, diagonals what? By joining any line segment to the opposite vertices of this figure. So, there are 2 diagonals, we can say PR, QS. Adjacent angle of P. P के adjacent angle कौन कौन से हैं? Angle Q and angle S. Q के adjacent angles angle R and angle P. S के R के adjacent angle angle Q and angle S. Angle S के angle R and angle P. These are the adjacent angles. Opposite angles pair, angle P and angle R, angle Q and angle S. These are the pair of opposite angle. taking this figure, how many quadrilateral are formed here? Quadrilateral, in this quadrilateral A, B, C, D, they are diagonal intersecting it at each other. Then how many quadrilaterals are there? Quadrilateral is always formed by the 4 vertices. Can you say that AECB is a quadrilateral? AECB is a quadrilateral? No. Why not? Because E point, AEC, these all 3 points lies on the same line. It means they are making a single line segment. And this one second line segment, this one third. It means this triangle, this quadrilateral now convert into triangle. If I am talking about the AECB, then we can say that it forming a triangle ACB. Don't try to give a name to it. AECB is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, the necessary condition for this quadrilateral that all the 4 points, these 4 points should be non-collinear. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? AEC 3 points collinear है. 2 points collinear हो सकते हैं because for every line segment there should be 2 points, 2 collinear points. Or whenever you have 2 points anywhere, you can make a line segment easily. But here 3 points are collinear. It means they are forming a single line. And now it becomes 3 line segments. So this quadrilateral ACB is a part of this quadrilateral, and this ACB is a triangle here. Similarly, so any other quadrilateral forming? No. ABCD is a quadrilateral only. It dividing into, when you are taking up intersection point A, it divided the quadrilateral into triangle. Triangle name I can say AEB, 4 parts, BEC, CED, DEA. There are 4 triangles. If we are taking intersection point E. So you are now exercise 10th D completed. Try to understand each term properly and clear in your mind. Whenever a word used by a teacher, that triangle, anyone, triangle, quadrilateral, then it will be strike in your mind that what is the meaning of these terms clearly. So we can proceed our questions then. Our problems we can solve related to these type of terms. Thank you.